First attempt with a shower tent. 20 seconds to fold it back up. I'm not going to count because that would just make you nervous. Yeah, like that. Maybe, yeah. Right side folds over under the left. Luckily, we watched a video or this would be hard.
We just throw it in the bag, in the back.
That thing pops open on us going down the highway. You know. Okay, let's go watch another video. Bring in the big guns to do this job. Four or five or whatever. It has to be the other way. Okay, you're making progress now. That's only 4 times bigger than the bag it has to fit in. Six or seven or what the hell ever.
Wait, let's read the instructions. See if they make any
I don't
better.
need to read the instructions. I've watched 6 videos.
Closer.
Together.
Yeah, those two go together, holding one hand. And then it said shove the other part up in it.
Everybody shows this. This feels like it's just going to bend and break if I...
Well, it bends in a circle somehow.
This is easy once you know. This is not what people did on the internet. This is not what the instructions inside there say to do. As a side note, this thing is made really well because we have not ripped a hole into it yet. Okay, we did finally get this thing back in its zip-up bag, and I wish I could tell you exactly how we managed to do that, but I have no idea. I watched 6 or 7 videos, I read instructions on 2 or 3 websites. It just did not make a lot of sense. When it finally went, it went pretty easily. But I'm going to tell you, before you take off on a trip, if you buy one of these shower tents, it works great for using it as a shower, what it's designed for. It works great to put a porta potty in, just so you have some privacy if you're out in different places. You need to take this thing out in your yard and experiment with it and try it and do this a few times so you can get it back in the bag. Putting it up is no problem. You take it out of the pack, basically throw it up in the air. It comes together, it's ready to go. If you found this useful or at least mildly entertaining, hit the like button. You can subscribe for more. We'll try to bring you some budget travel tips, places we've gone, things we use while we are out and about. See you next time.